So I was going downstairs to do some yoga. I stepped off of the stairs onto wet carpet. My first thought was, oh no, my dog pissed. Then my brain kicked in and I was like, oh, that's a lot of water. My basement might be flooded. Yeah, there was about 1 inch to 2 inches of water, 3/4 of our whole basement. What does any girl in panic do? I called my daddy. So, cause Josh had to work, I had the day off. My dad had this pretty cool pump and so we pumped all the water out. We got all the water out and now we've gotten the carpet out. But man, that carpet smelled like wet dog, nasty. It's pumping the water out so strong, our backyard is flooding now, right around my fire pit. So that night we built a temporary ditch and now I gotta put in the real piping because I don't want my backyard flooding, especially around my fire pit. That is all water. This is my flooding backyard. Keeping the gravel separated from the dirt. So now I'll be digging a ditch. So the ditch is not quite thick enough, so I need to go along the ditch, make sure that is plenty thick. Then we'll put the pipe in and fill the hole. I finally finished this ditch. You can see I kept the dirt and the gravel separated. Now I'm gonna have some fun. Hey, I'm out here on a different Saturday working on the ditch. Found this pipe in the barn. So today I will be showing you how to connect 2 pipes and to bury it. So stick around. Yes, yes, yes.
All right, fire it up.
Oh yes, this is the fun part.
It's better if you give it less gas. It'll actually blow itself out. Like it's dark. There you go. You've done it.
Ow, that's hot. Okay, well, the blowtorch definitely helps, but you had to have some manpower to get that thing in there.
Woman power.
Woman power, oh yes. Now, we just tighten down the clamp. And that is our connected piece.
Wait,
oh,
yeah,
yes.
hold it up here.
Okay, now that we got the pipe laid in the ditch, we need to fill the ditch with the dirt and then the gravel to keep them separated. Hey guys, I am all done with this project. That took me so much longer than I thought it would, but basically this is where the ditch was dug and you really can't see it that well. It comes all the way down here and the pipe
right into the
comes
ditch.
out right here into the ditch.
You did a good thing here.
Very glad I did this. Remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.